Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is a quick demonstration of how to download and install Expression Web 4.0. From your Google Classroom, open Classwork tab. Then under Software section, you will see that there is a link for the Expression Web 4. You can click this link. Then click this download icon here. Click here, download anyway. Under downloads folder, click save. This process will take some time, and this depends on the speed of the connectivity of your internet. Now the file has been downloaded successfully. Just click here to install it. If your computer is protected by a password, you need to put the username and password. Now you need just to follow the instructions of the installation. Click accept. No, next, install. Setup has successfully installed Microsoft Expression Web 4. Congratulations. Just click finish. And now you can find the software from the start menu here. Microsoft Expression Web 4. For this one, you can just click no, and now you can start practicing your HTML and CSS tasks.